Hi! Today I will show you how to remove and replace the Sennheiser PC360 earpad cushions step by step. Let's start with removing the earpads. They are attached to the headphones using small hooks. Simply remove pads from both sides. New replacement earpads can be found online. You will find links to them in the video description. While I'm waiting for my new earpads to arrive, I will show you how to reinstall the old ones. Putting the earpads back on is just as easy. Center the pad carefully, then press it down from all sides. If you hear clicks, that means the earpad is properly fixed in place and you are doing it correctly. It's really that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Now, it's time to get back to gaming.